Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. With the start of the spring of 2022, I want also to start with you three important phrases that I consider very important, and you hear them a lot in Egypt actually, and I want you to learn them. These phrases are كبر دماغك, شد حيلك, and شغل mokhak. We will learn these phrases and know their meaning in the coming few minutes. So stay with me. The first phrase that I want to share with you today is شد حيلك. شد حيلك. شد حيلك in Egyptian, it means exert an effort. Usually we say this شد حيلك if you want to tell somebody to exert more effort or to do his or her best in something and to get more and more let's say effort in order to achieve something. Okay, so شد حيلك, this is one of the phrases that we say a lot in Egypt, and it's a very positive phrase, and usually we say it, as I told you, if you are not doing good enough and you want to motivate, or you want to motivate yourself, so, or motivate others, so you just say شد حيلك. Another important phrase is كبر دماغك. كبر دماغك. Okay, كبر دماغك literally means make your head bigger. Okay, so كبر دماغك usually we say it if you want, for example, if you want somebody not to stop on the details and to see the big picture, okay, or just to let something go and don't bother about it. The third and last phrase is شغل mokhak. شغل mokhak. Usually we say شغل mokhak in Egyptian. شغل, it means to turn on, okay, so شغل, to turn on the machine or turn on something, okay, and mokhak is your brain. So شغل mokhak, turn on your brain or think, okay, and usually as you may think of it, شغل mokhak is very important if you ask somebody to look to something from a different way or a different angle, or also if you want somebody to exert much mental effort on something or think more deeply about something, okay. So شغل mokhak is a very important phrase that I want you to know, and you will hear it from many Egyptians. So شغل mokhak. So you have seen these phrases are very important, and if you visit Egypt and talk with an Egyptian, I'm sure that they will tell you these phrases, and if you tell these phrases to anybody, they will be very, very happy, and they will know that you have some good experience with Egyptian Arabic. Also, I want you to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check my one-on-one course for learning basic Egyptian. And take a look at the description box. You will find really interesting resources there, and if you have any question, don't forget to drop me a comment in the comments below. I'll be very happy to answer you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for you watching, and see you in a future video.